Yo, YouTube, this your boy Taz, man. So, we got another refrigeration video today, and we're going to be covering a refrigeration unit from a 501 Dixie Narco. I had one of my clients, they needed a compressor swap on it, so I just did a compressor swap on this system, and I get it back in a week and they say it's not cooling again. So this particular job is going to be me going back and seeing what I didn't do right. So so I'm going to be trying to figure out, I'm almost certain it's a leak in the system somewhere. So we almost certainly we dealing with a leak. So we're going to go through, we're going to show you the video. We're going to present a video where we're going through a couple of those diagnoses that we will go through to be able to figure out where that leak is and what's going on, how big that leak is, and get that leak covered up as soon as possible and get it filled up and sent back out. But for anybody else who might have a vending machine or a Dixie Narco 501E owner, which is a very popular vending machine, this is going to be refrigeration knowledge that is going to be very useful for you, because in this field, the refrigeration field, is not a lot of people who are willing to work on these small, tedious units. So people who are struggling with these units and different cooling problems end up buying whole new units. And these little, knowing little things about your system and how they react might be very small fixes. So we're going to get straight into this video, man. We're going to see what's going on with this system. We're going to get this problem detected as soon as possible.
A little easier to get along. Makes it a lot easier if you're friends with someone, I believe, even though, you're going to trust everyone you work with, because you know they're going to be there to cover your back. We just ran the plate of his car up. The owner comes back with a open warrant. We're going to attempt to pull him over and investigate. More than 331 traffic stop, car pulling in party on a maroon Chevy Impala with 3.
So we see that we had a leaky valve. For me, not properly putting the valve in all the way. So you definitely want to make sure you're screwing it all the way in straightly your valves, because if you don't, you can have a leak just